Hi, I'm Michele Downey, and Tom Mantion asked me to record something for the seniors in his internet marketing school because I'm a poster child for being slow in his school. At least in my opinion, it has taken me 2 years to get through a third of the way through. Now that isn't because of his school, it's because of me. I, of course, did not grow up with computers, but because I made A's in school and I did quite well, I got a master's, I had a team of people encouraging me, and I've been around computers. I figured this would be easy, but it was not. And it was very difficult for me to ask for help because I figured I should know. So the last year's been a lot easier because I've asked for help. One of the good things Tom told me is, Michele, you just keep scratching and clawing your way through until you finish it, because when you're done, you will be grateful because you will have a passive income, which of course is my goal. I have a message, I want to get it out to the world, and I want to learn this way, but it has been difficult. So I just wanted to encourage the seniors to keep hanging in there and keep clawing, and like Tom said, just keep at it.